not gonna do a full ride, but this is the side elevator. Oh my god, this thing is disgusting at the Division garage. Yeah, no, not doing a full ride. It's cold and I just need to go to my car. What happened here? Oh no. I kind of feel bad for this thing. What in the actual hell? This thing is disgusting. Well, we're here at 3. This is where my car is. What? No one's here. Well, it looks fine until you get to the door. Yeah, no, we'll come back another day. That is lovely East Lansing. And there's Frank the Jetta. That's it.